Hey guys, I've managed to compress this video into 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Today we're installing CentOS Stream 10, one of the most pointless distros that probably shouldn't exist anymore. If you want my actual review of this distro, I put the video out for that just before this one, so go back and check that video out. I've already done way too many rhel-based distro installs, including Rocky Linux and Alma, so this is basically the same and it's super repetitive, so I'm not going to be talking through this one for most of this video. So I did still want to do this video because I know there are a lot of people who still want to watch the install video, and it is going to have music for the rest of the video. Sorry about that part.